Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I wanted to come on here and make a video about a couple health checks that I have before I get my car tuned. I'm actually going to be sending an email to my tuner right after I'm done with this video to be able to get the first revision back with the bigger headers, 3-inch exhaust, and the 112mm throttle body. So the only issues I did have was because with the Speed Engineering exhaust, you leave both of the rear O2 sensors unplugged, so I have the air fuel ratio sensor in the back driver one, which is kind of what that's there for. So obviously I had a few codes of that. I had a barometric pressure sensor P2227, which that's basically just telling me that the parameters for speed density is off, which it obviously would be with the bigger throttle body that I did add to it. The only other thing that I had was a P0113, which was basically saying that the inlet was different, which again, obviously it was because the throttle body has been changed. So those are the only codes that I have, which to me is basically good just to check because that's changes that I made that will need to be tuned out or, you know, change the parameters to make sure that they're still there and working. So yeah, just a nice thing. You know, something easy to check to save a little bit of headache on your tuners, just with your scanner, but right before you send them off a log or something like that, check the codes. It could save you and him a lot of time just to say, hey, I noticed this could be pretty ugly. Those codes right there, especially speed density tuned, not a big issue. If you get any sort of knock codes or misfired codes or something, handle that. I mean, it's not probably a tune if it's misfire related. So yeah, besides that, I wish I could make a longer video for you guys, but I was helping my girlfriend move, and I went to the Cleveland Auto Show. I took one video of the Jeep ride. But once I got in there, I was just kind of looking around. I didn't really even think about pulling my phone or the camera out. So, but anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Finishing off here, I'm going to be pulling this car outside and probably give you guys another cold start for like the third time with it. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I forgot about how loud that was, and it's been about 2 weeks since I started it, and that was definitely like a 40-degree cold start. So obviously that'll be a little bit more tamed once it's actually properly tuned, which I did just send the email to my tuner, which is amazing. But yeah, I can't lie though, I love it. It's breathing like a real American muscle car should, you know?